Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Okay. So, I want to ask, are you in relationship?
Sorry?
Are you in relationship?
I'm married.
Married.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. I want to ask you,
Okay.
since you are married,
Yeah.
will you allow your husband to cheat for one night for 1 year? For 1 year?
Never. Never.
You not allow him to cheat only for one night.
No. Never.
1 year.
No, even if allow, he won't go anywhere.
No, suppose now
No.
you don't like money.
Sorry for
You
money.
Yeah,
Of course, but I can't tell him to do anything for money.
for money.
Yeah.
Okay.
So money is not that important. Yes, if it is important, but not that important.
Okay. So, okay, suppose now this is about health. Maybe you have to cheat for one night to save your life.
Me,
To save your life. Let cheat for one night to save
I will better die.
You want to die?
I'll better die.
Really?
Yes.
You want to die?
Yeah, but I'll not cheat.
You not cheat.
No.
You know when you die, then you have to take another girl.
Sorry?
You know when you die, then your husband or your boyfriend have to take another girl.
I'll take him with me.
You take him with you.
Yeah, of course.
So you prefer to die
Yeah.
for instead of him cheating
Yeah.
to save your life.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so I want to ask you again. Oh, would you like to get a long distance relationship?
Sorry?
Long distance relationship.
Long distance relationship. I didn't understand your question. Sorry.
Would you like to? So, suppose you are not married.
Okay, I'm not married. Okay.
Yeah. Would you like to have a long distance relationship?
No.
No. Why?
I don't know. I might not be comfortable in long distance. So that's why.
So, do you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Yes.
So you have love marriage.
Yes.
or arranged marriage?
Yeah.
So what is the benefit of love marriage?
You know each other. You know everything about the person. Like I've been in relationship since 11 years, so I know everything about him. He know everything about me. So it's after 11 years, you know to if you want to marry the guy or not. So it is easy. Yeah.
So what is the disadvantage?
Sorry.
What is the disadvantage of love marriage?
Same. You know everything about him.
So no need to hide.
Yeah, you have both advantage and disadvantage that you know everything about him. Yeah.
That's- So one more question.
Okay.
Uh, what is your red flag in a guy? Red flag.
Red flag.
Yeah.
So many actually.
So
Yeah.
So,
Okay, if you're not respecting your girl, yeah, it's a big red flag for me. And what else I can say? Yeah, the respect is the thing that girls, every girl wants from the boy. So yes, the respect and the care. The priority should be the girl. So yeah, if this quality is not in a boy, then it's a big
everything is supposed to be in the girl. Everything should be in the girl.
everything.
Everything should be in the girl.
Everything should be a girl or a boy.
Girl.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be from both sides. Yeah, the respect is from the both